Women empowerment. People talk about it like it's an option, but for millions of women, it's still a fight for basic human rights. A fight for education when girls are forced to leave school early. A fight for safety when women fear harassment even on their way home. A fight for equality when the same work still doesn't get the same respect or pay. And every time a woman is silenced, controlled, abused, or told she is less because of her gender, human rights are being violated. Because human rights are not just laws written in books, they are the right to live freely, to speak freely, and to exist with dignity. Women empowerment is not being above men. It's about giving women the rights they should have had from the very beginning. And the fact that this is still a debate in 2026 says a lot about our society.